Think about electrifying your home. It's one of the most efficient ways to improve comfort, efficiency, and long-term energy costs. Electrification means replacing your gas-powered equipment with high-efficiency electronic systems, like heat pumps for heating and cooling, heat pump water heaters, and induction cooking. These systems are designed to use less energy, which can lower utility bills and reduce overall energy use. Many homeowners also enjoy more consistent temperatures, quieter operation, and improved indoor air quality without combustion inside the home. Electrification also pairs perfectly with solar and battery storage, helping you use more of your own energy and relying less on the grid. And with available rebates and incentives, upgrading to electric can be more affordable than most people expect. Cleaner energy, improved comfort, and future-ready efficiency. That's the benefit of electrifying your home.